Hello, my name is Casimir and I work at NORDIC Lights. We're here at the production site in Jakobstad, Finland. Let's take a closer look at how our lights are made. We source most of our components regionally, making us efficient and adaptable. When parts arrive, each type of component gets its own box and is put into storage until needed. This storage solution holds up to 33,000 boxes of components. Our component stock levels are determined by demand and what type of lights are being produced. Many of the same parts can be used in several different end products. Our production follows an assemble-to-order process. Depending on what product is to be made, components are picked out from storage and then delivered to the assembly cells. We have a broad product portfolio and are still able to make customer-specific lights and customized solutions. Our LED lights are tested to function several times before being shipped out. Once during assembly, once after, and the final time just before leaving the production site. We've adopted a high level of automation, enabling us to grow and scale production quickly, increase capacity and stay flexible. This production site is located in Western Finland, and we have another one just like this in China. Thanks for tagging along and see you next time.